Hi, I'm Phil, and I'm going to tell you the difference between altogether and altogether. Yes, they sound the same, but they're not. Altogether, that's two words, and two L's means everything or everyone being or doing something together with everything or everyone else. Let's sing all together. Or put the vegetables in the bowl and mix them all together. All together, that's one word, and one L is an adverb, and it means completely or entirely. My brother has an altogether different personality to me. He's nothing like me. So if you have altogether as one complete word, it means completely or entirely. And if we have altogether as two words, together, then that means everything or everyone together.